What you got there, Kaylee girl? The Easter Bunny bring you some socks? And a little Elmo and some books.
I just saw what else I saw Cookie Monster.
Did you see Cookie Monster in there?
Yeah.
What's that, Kaylee? Do you want some help? Here, look, you got a book. Look at books.
Book. And there's even a puzzle. Another one.
You are a stinker.
And another one.
Why? Uh-oh. Ooh, it's in a poster?
Yeah.
Cool. You can color the poster.
Look at this.
And then hang it on the wall. Wow, it's a growth chart.
Yeah.
So we can mark off 48 inches.
Yeah.
Let's see right there. That's how tall you have to be to write all the rights in Hawaii. And then we'll hang it right on the wall. And you're, I think, you're right there.
What's under the flag?
How fun. I'm sad that I didn't do a growth chart with you guys.
What else is there for me?